Tibetan Tingsha. Om is more than a sound but the vibration of the universe. It is the frequency of energy that connects and joins all things together. It is not a short and sharp sound, it lingers and flows like the energy itself. Om is the most elevated sacred symbol on earth. The word Om is such powerful that chanting or ringing this single word correctly can produce powerful and positive vibrations throughout our body and enables you to feel the power of whole universe. Om also relates to the Crown Chakra in our body, which represents the connections to all the positive sources within our realm. According to the famous scientist Albert Einstein, everything is just energy and that's all there is to it. Match the frequency of reality you can't help but get that reality, and there can be no other way around it. This is not a philosophy, this is physics. According to Thai, sound is God. The creator of the cosmos is sound. Everything begins with sound. We learn some things from everyone who passes through our lives, and some lessons are priceless. Capable of producing this sacred Om sound, Tibetan Tingsha is a strange yet beautiful gift of our nature. Tingsha are small symbols used in prayer and rituals by Tibetan Buddhists and Hindu priests. Tingsha are circular chimes connected by a chain. They are often used in meditation practices to help focus the mind. They can also be played to add depth to musical soundscapes. The chimes are stuck together to create a pure, bright bell sound which rings for a surprising length of time. Traditional therapy, often performed using the Tingsha bells, is called toning. Toning is used to relieve mental stress and to reduce anxiety levels. By allowing the free flow of positive chi energy and warding off negativity, they can promote a flow of healthy energies throughout the body and restore strong brain waves. The Tingshas produced by Himalayan singing bowl are handcrafted by using 7 different premium metals which produce a strong sound and vibrations of the right frequency. The products of Himalayan singing bowls are tested individually by the certified personnel and healers, so they are of very high quality compared to other Tingsha found in the market. The 7 metals used in this are gold, silver, mercury, copper, iron, tin, lead, which are the 7 most important minerals found in our planet. This metal connects the 7 important planets in our universe, like gold is the symbol of sun, silver is the symbol of moon, mercury is the symbol of Mercury, copper is the symbol of Venus, iron is the symbol of Mars, tin is the symbol of Jupiter, and finally lead is the symbol of Saturn. Also, the 7 minerals represent the days of the week, like gold is the symbol of Sunday, silver is the symbol of Monday, mercury is the symbol of Tuesday, copper is the symbol of Wednesday, iron is the symbol of Thursday, tin is the symbol of Friday, lead is the symbol of Saturday. Thus, embracing the sound and vibrations produced by this interconnected Tingsha made of 7 minerals will reactivate and balance 7 important human chakras in our body. Therefore, we can be sure that Tibetan Tingsha have a huge importance for our spiritual life. If you constantly practice meditation, then Goga Tingsha can help make your meditation more effective while also making it a fun experience. High quality handcrafted Tingshas shall be very useful to reduce mental stress, anxiety, hypertension, migraine, high blood pressure, insomnia, and all other negative thinking within our mind. Let's do this meditation experiment together and make your numbers provided in the description below and get the products home delivered to your front door. We guarantee and certify our products' quality and customer service. If you have any queries, please share with us. We will be happy to help you in any matters possible. We are always available for you and a phone call or message away from responding to your necessities. Finally, let's smile because this world is so beautiful and our Mother Earth gave us a lot of natural gifts to cherish. Thank you for connecting with us and watching our video. Please subscribe to us for all healing information regarding handmade singing bowls, tingsha, healing bell, and many other metal works. These videos will also be helpful for any one of our customers who have purchased our products to follow along and perform meditation as guided by our healers. We wish you for a happy, healthy, and peaceful life ahead. Thank you and Namaste.